Welcome to your own channel. Today our topic is about the ASTM C1064, which is the standard test for temperature of freshly mixed concrete. Now, what is the scope and use of this test? This test is provided to find the temperature of fresh concrete. It is very important to find the temperature of concrete because without knowing the temperature of concrete, we can't pour and place it. The reason is if we can't use a concrete which is between 16 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius, it will affect the strength of the concrete, it will affect the durability of concrete, also it will affect the workability of concrete, and also the shrinkage and cracks will be occurs after dry. That's why it is very important to find out the temperature of concrete. So because of this test, we will maintain the temperature of concrete. In simple words, if I can say that, so this test is used to verify the concrete meets the specified required temperature or not. Right, if someone asks you that what is the scope of this test, so we can say that this test is to determine the temperature of freshly mixed Portland cement concrete or another concrete. And another thing which we have to say that it is used to verify that the concrete meets the specified required temperature or not. So if I come towards, so the apparatus which we used in this test, it should be a container like a wheelbarrow, and another thing is a temperature measuring device. If I come toward now the procedure of the this test, so place the point number one, should we have to note that place the temperature measuring device in the freshly mixed concrete so that the temperature sensing portion is submerged a minimum of 75 mm. Gently press the concrete around the temperature measuring device at the surface of the concrete so that the air content, the air temperature does not affect the reading. Then leave the temperature measuring device in the freshly mixed concrete for 2 minutes, then until the temperature reading stable, then read and record the temperature. Normally from 2 minutes to 5 minutes we should have to leave the temperature measuring device in the concrete. So if the reading is stable, then we should have remove it. Not remove it, first we have to record it and then we will remove the temperature measuring device. Now if I told you the result, so the concrete temperature depends on the weather condition. Basically the normal or average temperature of the concrete is 16 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius, but according to the condition, then we should have decide the temperature of the concrete. According to the ACI 301-207, they have provided a specific limit depending on the element size and the weather condition. And I know many people will be asked that how can we control the temperature of the concrete, because in hot weather how it is really hard to maintain the temperature of the concrete. So I've already uploaded a video, a detailed video that concreting in a hot weather. So the link is in the description, you can also watch it. That's it for today's lecture. If you have any question about this lecture, so you have a comment down below, and that's it.